What's up guys, Eric from B-Sonic, and today we're gonna be visiting CES. Just arrived here at the Las Vegas airport. Welcome to fabulous Vegas. I'll be sitting in a bunch of conferences and also walking the West Hall, which is specifically for automotive electronics and technology. We'll be giving you guys updates to let you guys know what CES is about. All right guys, so our first stop is Aria. I'm gonna be sitting in some conferences here, a lot to do with AI, future technology, social media, and marketing. Gonna spend the first half here, and then I'll be going over to the West Hall at the main convention center. All right guys, so as I'm walking to the convention, just want to give you a quick rundown what CES is. CES stands for Consumer Electronics Show, and this is where companies from all around the world comes over here. They show what's coming next, they show what's the future, a lot of new technologies that the company has been incorporating recently and what they're going to be announcing in the future. And this is where all the future trend and technology starts, whether it's car related, your home, your phone, your shopping, online shopping experience, and even more. So even like TVs, refrigerators, to car parts, to the next big technology, AI, and so forth. So a lot of exciting things to come. I'm only gonna be here for one day, so try to cover as much as I can, and I'll keep you guys posted as the day goes on. All right guys, we finished the first half of the day. I was just sitting down a bunch of conferences and just learning about all the different things that are coming up with AI, marketing, and branding, and so forth. So walking over to the North Hall Valley right now, where I'm gonna get picked up by Lyft and head over to our main attraction, which is the West Hall. So I'll see you there. All right guys, we are here at the West Hall. There's a bunch of people going in and out, and let's get started. I'm gonna walk through all the aisles, and if there's anything that catches my eye, I'm gonna stop to talk about it. So we'll see what they have. Earth's first personal robocar. Looks like he's showing the front sensor and what it's detecting. Maybe a LiDAR. Yep, there it is. 4D LiDAR equipped vehicle. Oh yeah, all right, I'll have a nice shift cold coffee.
Please, go ahead, select it, confirm.
Confirm.
You just poured out within 8 seconds.
Awesome. That's super fast.
So if it was a beer, you would have made payment and you would have had your beer.
Wow, terrific. Appreciate it.
No more
Thank you. Pretty good actually. Autonomous vehicle. It doesn't need a driver, so you can fully utilize the whole entire interior to load more people. It's a really cool light effect. Robotaxi. All right, guys, that was a really quick walk around in the West Hall. And overall, it's a lot about autonomy, AI, robotics, things way up into the future. So talking about self-driving cars and AI capabilities on these future vehicles, which is pretty exciting to see. Next, let's take the Uber and head on over to the Venetian, where I'm gonna be a part of, where I'm gonna sit down on some of the conferences that are going on over there. All right, guys, I'm back at the airport, about to fly back to Orange County, and just some final thoughts about CES this year. Last time I visited CES is actually 2 years ago, and I've been seeing a lot of changes in the automotive side of CES. I say like 10 years ago, there were a lot of other like car audio companies like BeatSonic, like, you know, Kicker, Rofer, Fosgate, and any other companies like that. But now it's a bunch of AI big companies have taken over, and it's much different than how it was, which tells that the trend is changing. A lot of these companies that used to attend both CES and SEMA, like us, now only attends SEMA because it just makes more sense. It's more car focused. And at SEMA, the whole North Hall is dedicated, well, partial, maybe a fourth of the North Hall is dedicated to like car audio and smaller companies like us. So yeah, that's it. Yeah, CES focused on a lot of AI, robotics, autonomous driving, and yeah, there's I think we're about to enter a new era where AI is going to be used in a lot of different places, and also autonomous vehicle and so forth. We've been hearing about the topic of autonomous vehicles for a while now, and it's really accelerating to become a reality very, very soon. There's companies like Waymo that's already launched autonomous vehicles in LA, and it could be something that we'll be seeing more often. So, all right, guys, well, that's it. I'll take the flight and go back home, and tomorrow I'll see you guys at the office.